Explore top-tier drum sanders for professional woodworking needs. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a hobbyist, these drum sanders offer unparalleled performance, ensuring smooth finishes and optimal results. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best drum sanders you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Jet JW DS1836 is celebrated as the 5th best drum sander, offering a blend of innovation and practicality for woodworking enthusiasts. Powered by a robust 1/3/4 HP motor operating at 1 pH 115V, it ensures dependable performance. One standout feature is the Sand Smart system, which continuously monitors the drum motor's load, automatically adjusting the speed to prevent overload, thus extending the machine's lifespan. Adjusting the conveyor bed's parallelism is straightforward, requiring no tools, just a simple turn of the dial on the bed's exterior. The sander boasts a precision-machined, dynamically balanced extruded aluminum drum, adept at dissipating heat to maintain optimal operating conditions. The dust hood is ingeniously designed with an integrated channel that mirrors the drum's shape, effectively directing debris to a 4-inch port for efficient dust collection. The stand of the JW DS1836 is built for stability, featuring a 20 by 37-inch footprint, a convenient storage shelf, and pre-drilled holes for casters, adding to its versatility. The infinitely variable speed control, offering up to 10 feet per minute, provides the flexibility to choose the perfect feed rate for various projects, enhancing the user's control and precision. The Grizzly Industrial Go920 is a top-tier drum sander, ranking 4th among the best in its category. This versatile machine features an open-frame design, allowing you to sand workpieces up to 42 1/2 inches wide by sanding one half and then the other. Powered by a robust 2 HP motor, it effortlessly drives a 5-inch computer-balanced aluminum sanding drum. The sander requires sandpaper measuring 3 inches by 127 inches, easily sourced for replacements. Its variable speed conveyor adjusts from 0 to 10 feet per minute, ensuring optimal control and precision. The digital depth gauge provides accurate readings of the distance between the table and the drum, while spring-tensioned sandpaper fasteners simplify belt changes. Durability and precision are enhanced by features like the drum height hand wheel, industrial-duty rubber conveyor belt, and easy conveyor belt tracking. The Go920 stands on a heavy-duty enclosed stand, adding stability to its performance. A 1-year warranty backs the machine, covering parts and factory defects. The sander's specifications include a maximum stock thickness of 5 inches, a minimum of 1/4 inch, and a maximum sanding width of 42 1/2 inches. With a weight of 341 pounds, this drum sander is both a powerful and durable addition to any workshop. The King Canada KC26DS is a top-tier drum sander, ranking number 3 among the best in its category. This powerful tool boasts a substantial 26-inch width and 12-inch thickness capacity, allowing for efficient sanding of large surfaces. The variable feed speed feature provides versatility, making it suitable for a range of materials and finishes. Built with a heavy-duty base and a robust steel frame, the KC26DS ensures stability and precision during operation. Adjustments are user-friendly, with easy-to-turn screws to fine-tune the parallelism between the sanding drums and the conveyor table. Safety is a priority, evidenced by the inclusion of a magnetic safety switch. For clean and efficient operation, the sander is equipped with twin 4-inch dust chutes, facilitating easy connection to a dust collector. The sander's performance is enhanced by 2 5-inch aluminum sanding drums, which are precision-balanced and driven by 2 V-belts. This design ensures smooth and consistent sanding results. Additionally, the KC26DS features both metric and imperial depth scales, aiding in precise thickness adjustments. Overall, the King Canada KC26DS is a reliable, versatile, and powerful drum sander, ideal for woodworking professionals seeking precision and efficiency in their projects. The Jet JW DS1020 drum sander is highly regarded as the second best in its category, offering both power and precision for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Powered by a robust 1 HP motor and operating on a 115V single-phase system, this sander delivers consistent performance. Constructed with a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum and steel body, the JWDS1020 ensures durability and stability during use. Its infinitely variable speed control allows users to select the optimal feed rate for their specific project, enhancing versatility and precision. Changing abrasives is a breeze thanks to the toolless abrasive take-up fasteners, which streamline the process and minimize downtime. The extruded aluminum drum is engineered to dissipate heat effectively, safeguarding the wood from potential heat damage during sanding. Additionally, the precision-flattened reinforced steel conveyor bed offers robust support for boards as they pass under the sanding drum, ensuring an even finish. One of the standout features of this drum sander is its open-ended design, which provides up to 20 inches of sanding capacity in 2 passes. The Laguna SuperMax SuperBrushes double brush sander is renowned as the top choice among drum sanders. Designed by SuperMax Tools, these sanders cater to diverse woodworking needs, ensuring an excellent return on investment through increased productivity, reduced rework, and enhanced product consistency. Key features include reversible brush rotation, a brush speed RPM gauge adjustable between 400 and 1200 RPM, and both power and manual height adjustments. The sander is equipped with a digital readout that provides critical information such as material removal per pass, the desired thickness when zeroed out, and the actual thickness of the stock as it exits the machine. The SuperBrush sander excels in various applications, including raw wood sanding, whitewood sanding, edge breaking, minor defect blending, sealer and primer sanding, scuff sanding, profile sanding, reclaimed wood cleaning, and wire brushing for textured surfaces. This versatile tool is also available in a single brush head version, accommodating different shop requirements. Overall, the Laguna SuperMax SuperBrushes double brush sander stands out for its innovative features, making it an indispensable asset in any woodworking shop where precision, efficiency, and quality are paramount. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.